Spiky on Spike Lively. This was a great morning, wasn't it, Spiky? Okay, maybe not for him, but I'm your host, Zenaida Kirk, and we will be talking about the wonders of Spiky. Hello, and we are at Spiky Live. Hello, and we are on Spiky Live. You might have seen us in our last episode. Right now, we'll talk about him.
To see if every branch still meets. Maybe there's a prayer or thought. Put a cut till my skin gets torn. Wrap it with the shirts I've never worn. Because before you, angel, I was never born. I was never born. And I was scared of being lost, so I took what I